What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. I actually think we have a lot of important things to discuss today, as well as the giveaway, which hopefully you guys have been waiting for and planning for, because we are going to be releasing the winner, or figuring out who the winner is for the XRP crypto coin display giveaway. You had all week to enter the giveaway by commenting subscribed down below in the comment section, or following the description and following the directions there. And that was it. So today we are going to be drawing the winner, which I will release to you in a few minutes here. But we're specifically going to be looking at a few things on these markets. First off, we're going to be looking at the fact that XRP is pretty much entangled with its top resistance here and most likely getting rejected, forming what could be a correction to the downside here. We're then going to be looking at things like Ethereum, which is retesting support. We're pretty much caught up on there. Bitcoin retesting support, so on and so forth. The S&P is closed today, opens tomorrow, but you can see we're in what could be, hopefully, fingers crossed, a double bottom. That's the goal here, is that this is the lowest point, because if we start heading lower than that, we are rightfully screwed. So I really don't want us to drop lower, because we're already in a bear market, what is considered a bear market right here of about, actually that's not that low, sorry, I meant to do it from here. We're already down about 22%, which is a confirmed bear market. If we break below this level here, this is considered a recession. We don't want that. That is not good. So hopefully, the Feds can do what they need to do and the markets can react positively and we can bounce off this mega support and start to swing up. And the reason I believe that's probably going to happen is because we're also oversold. So there's a big chance of this bottom happening because we're oversold in the markets and probably don't have the resilience to head even lower here. We're also going to be looking at Bitcoin. I'm starting to notice an interesting pattern forming here on the smaller scale charts. Same thing with Ethereum here. So we are going to be looking at all that stuff. Without further ado, we are going to be giving you guys, or I am going to be releasing who the winner of the crypto coin display is right now for you. So what I did is I picked the most viewed video from this week, which had about 4,500 views. This is the video. I put it in. I filtered duplicate users, so if you commented multiple times, I only limited it to one, so there's a fair chance. And I sorted it. We had, I believe, 43 unique comments, and the winner of the crypto coin display is, as you guys can see here, Zach Khan. So Zach Khan, congratulations for winning the crypto coin display that we have in every single one of our videos. If you'd like to claim this, I highly recommend you do so. All you have to do is email me, which you can find my email in the description of today's video, or just send me an email to cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. That's simple. I'll be awaiting your email here. So, and then just enter or send me your name, your address where I can send it to, as well as your phone number so I can attach the tracking to it and you can get updates on where it is. That's all you have to do. So send me that information over. Congratulations to Zach Khan for winning this week's giveaway here. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. All right, guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, just wanted to give you guys an update here. In the past couple of hours, I guess from last night to this morning, supposedly the big hurricane, and thank you all for commenting, I hope everything's totally fine and it misses us. And there's a good chance it actually might. We are going to face, obviously, a lot of wind and rain regardless, but there's a good chance we might miss it come Tuesday, Wednesday. Reason being, as you can see, the storm has been moving up here. And you can see this is Tampa. I'm about right here, in this region right here. Sorry. So it's definitely going to hit us, but we're going to get the outer part, hopefully, fingers crossed. Naples is right here, Everglades is over here, so we're right about this level here. So we might get the outer part, but it's continuing to move north, most likely hitting Tampa, Sarasota, Tallahassee, that northern part of Florida here. So, again, it sucks that some people are getting it, but I don't think we're going to get the brute force of it, but we won't know anything until, probably Monday, Tuesday, when it's almost right on top of us. But from that being said, diving into the technical analysis, top 10 cryptos, markets are skewing lower, down 1.54%. But overall, and I don't want to spend too much time on this, we are pretty much consolidating for the most part, if not slipping lower. Now, what I really want to talk about here, not so much XRP and the S&P 500, but I do believe there is a chance we could break through. Fingers crossed on XRP. Granted, we are overbought here. It's probably going to be some consolidation. I believe we'll probably see some sideways trading here, getting us ready. Obviously, the goal, fingers crossed, is that we can break this purple downtrend here. We break this purple downtrend, it's game on. We're going to be buying in long here. This is the goal. We break through this, and then we'll be able to rally up higher. A lot of you guys are saying, we're probably not going to see a rally to all-time highs. I don't think we're going to all-time highs on XRP anytime soon. We had all of 2020, the previous breakout, we didn't even get near. We didn't set an all-time high. You can see the previous all-time high is closer to $3, over $3. The second time we rallied up was $1.90 here. So the likelihood that we do that again and break through all-time highs is slim to none. I don't think that's going to happen, but we are pretty much filling out the remainder of this bear market here. You can see, or this descending triangle. This, for the most part, was 133 bars, and we've had from this consolidation, I'm going to start it, let's say right here, we have about 76 bars, 500 compared to 900. It's a big difference, actually. It is a really big difference, actually. We're talking about like a 400-day difference, another year difference. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. There's a chance it might be a little early, especially with us retesting this. I'd be shocked if we fall lower here, although that is definitely a big possibility that we can consolidate down at 13 cents here. We are coming to what could be near's end, and it's another like flash. It's another flare in the markets here where there's a chance that we could be breaking through here since resistance is currently being retested. This big downtrend here, as you can see, the numerous attempts we've made to break through it, we're currently trying to do so right now. There's a good chance we could reject off of here and correct lower, or we could break through it. The goal is obviously for us to kind of stall and trade outwards, and hopefully it doesn't take as long as the previous breakout did, but there's also a chance we could fall here. There's also a chance we could fall lower. Who knows? Regardless, though, we don't look too bad here. This is definitely a good position to be in because it means that there's a much closer chance of us breaking through here. And what's also potentially levying or, helping out XRP is cryptos like Ethereum and Bitcoin. What I've noticed here is if I jump to the hourly, you can start to see a short-term movement here. Notice what's starting to, plan itself out or become visible here, some sort of symmetrical triangle. We could draw clearly some sort of like downtrend, maybe from here over, clearly a downtrend, and clearly an uptrend here of the sort. Maybe I draw it like this, but you can kind of see what exactly is at play right now. Sorry. Let me just extend this out. So you can see we're kind of creating some sort of descending fractal here, but it's forming some sort of symmetrical triangle. So there is another one to pay attention to, which is quite exciting. And we are filling in the gap here. You can see clearly what it is now that we have drawn. So there is definitely another thing forming here. We are coming to an end here. The goal, and fingers crossed, is that we can break through this. That's the biggest goal, because if this is a positive reaction here, because, on the daily we are retesting, or we are pretty low, but the goal is that we stay above this major support. That's the goal. It's going to happen any day now. If not today, probably Monday. That's probably the last time we have here. The goal, and there's going to be a big volume thing. If we break bearish through that support, we are going to dump. But if we break bullish, we're probably going to rally up to 22K. So the eyes are all on, focus your eyes on the 4-hour chart here. Pay very close attention to here. This is going to be the sign. If we close the 4-hour below this, it's going to be brutal, but we are going to be able to short this on BitYard. If we break above here, there's a good chance we'll have the opportunity to run up to 21K, also giving us an opportunity to buy and long on BitYard. So obviously, for those that don't know, BitYard is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that we like to use. We are getting very close to another possibility to buy in. I plan on buying in. We break below this on the 4-hour, we short. We break above it on the 4-hour, we long. Beautiful symmetrical triangle at play here. So obviously, you could do that all on BitYard. Not only do they offer Bitcoin and Ethereum, they offer XRP, which is super cool. The best part is they offer a demo account by clicking demo. Once you click, and this is a question I got asked often, click CFDs on derivatives, click any of these, and then you'll be offered the demo and the live accounts here. You can also leverage trade and short cryptocurrency, which is awesome too. So that means that whichever direction moves doesn't affect us at all. We can trade. Timing is of the essence here. Best part is if you sign up with the link down in the description, click mystery box, you can actually get some free cryptocurrency, which is super cool. But that's pretty much what we're focusing on here, is this beautiful symmetrical triangle. Get ready to buy in. I'm getting ready to buy in. I'm getting ready to short. Same thing with Ethereum here. I bet you can see something very similar if we jump to the 4 hours here. You can see it clear as day, I believe, right here. Let's zoom out. You can see there is some sort of downtrend forming here. However we want to look at it, we could even scale it lower, maybe something like that. That could be it right here. And then we have an uptrend clear as day forming as well, something like this. So we'll leave it alone. It could be this. That's how I would have drawn it an hour ago, but we could. I don't know. I'm going to leave it like this for right now. We'll see how exactly it pans out. But you can see the descending fractal or the symmetrical triangle forming on both of these major cryptocurrencies. So keep your eyes peeled on the markets. We're going to see movement very soon. Specifically, focus on Bitcoin's 4-hour here because this is what I'm focused on right now. With that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and if you've won the giveaway, definitely make sure to reach out. With that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.